Happy New Year, everyone! I have so many things that I want to talk about as 2024 ended. What am I looking forward to in 2025? But I thought that a good way to start 2025 is for me to share the products that I love and continue to use because they work for me, whether they're branded products or drugstore products. And I'm also going to talk about the products that I do not use anymore because I know they don't work. The reason I'm sharing this video with you is because I don't want you to spend unnecessarily for products that you can actually buy for lower cost, or products that you can find in your community, or products that you can find online. So I hope this video helps you in shopping for your next skincare products. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Jackie D. My goal is to help you find your better version, your best version, whether it's through skincare, health, beauty, looking good, feeling good, living healthy, mental health. Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to do a quick random review of the products that I use, and then I'll have links to them in the description. Some of them I have on my Amazon shop, so you can definitely go there. And as an Amazon affiliate, I make a little commission, very, very little. In my Amazon shop, I talk about why these products work for me, why I use them, and why I'm recommending them. I'm 63 years old. You have the same issues like I do. You probably will find these products very useful. Let's start with our skin prep. What I discovered this year is face masks. They really, really work so well. I love them so much I would use a face mask every day. Apparently you shouldn't. You should use face mask only twice a week at the most. I have a lot of good Korean masks and I use them a lot, but this one is what I've been using lately. This is made in Turkey, and the thing is, this is good for all skin types, and it has hyaluronic acid. I actually read that if you want a product that really works best for your skin, it has to have hyaluronic acid. Also, look out for those toxic properties like Phenoxyethanol. Some products will have a bit of these toxic elements, but as long as they're not active ingredients, then it's fine, because they also have the benefits why they have to be in the product itself. The reason why I've been loving peel-off face masks this year is because they feel so good. They have that specific scent, which you feel like is really nourishing your skin. It's like very mentally healthy too, right? So that one. And another one also, especially because we're older, this one, because we have lots of wrinkles when we don't sleep much, our wrinkles are even more pronounced. I have been using Grace and Stella eye masks. I have a huge box, and I talked about this in one of my videos. This is pink, I have a blue, and I have the gold, and they have their own different purposes, but otherwise any type of Grace and Stella is perfect for your eyes. They work instantly, at least for the morning or for the next few hours that you're going to go out, or you just want to feel better or feel more refreshed. This one is really good. So eye masks, peel off masks, perfect. Also, I swear by very organic soap. Soap that practically has no scent, because it's very pure in its own essence. And I love Japanese soap. This one is Beauty Secrets of Japan Sake Lees. Check out the ingredients: purified water, olive oil, coconut oil, cocoa butter, organic avocado oil, organic rice bran oil, organic camellia seed oil, sake lees, essential oil, pine, and cypress. You can find these products on beautysecretsofjapan.com. I actually bought this among other products made in Japan when my daughters and I went to the Vancouver market that featured Japanese products. I also have a Japanese rice facial cleanser, which I have to talk about one of these days. The smell is very clean. Now I'm going to talk about a few products that I use in my skincare routine. At 63, I feel that I'm having some revived skin tone, revived youthfulness in my skin, even if I'm a late bloomer when it comes to skincare, because I only actually started to take care of my skin in 2023, last year. Prior to that, I did not use sunblock, and that's why I had very dark blemishes. But now I know what to do. So I really swear by my papaya seed oil. This one covers your blemishes. You have to put this regularly. But as in many products, you have to stop after 6 months because it might worsen it. Take a rest. So I rested a little bit for 2 months and then I resumed because this has helped lessen my hyperpigmentation. So this one I'm going to keep using. I ditched The Ordinary before because it cost me a lot of breakouts. Like if I remember right, I had 5 breakouts in 2-3 days and that made me really panic. People said, no, it's part of purging. Let it all go out. No, I'm not taking a risk because I don't have the luxury of time. If you're in your 20s and 30s, fine. You'll have more years ahead of you to clear up any scars that will come out from purging. But at my age, I just want to keep the vibrant quality of my skin. I just want to look youthful. I just want to keep the elasticity of my skin. So no purging for me. I dispose of that one. I love my toner. I have 2 toners. For the past 8 months, I've been using this toner because this toner has blemish removing qualities. This is amazing. Pharmacy Brighten Up. It has 3% TXA. After using my Pharmacy, so I'm going to throw this already because I'm out. I'm back and reunited with my Innisfree toner. I love this. I've been using this for more than a year before I tried this. And you know, before I talk about products, I like to try them first because before I recommend them, whether they're good or bad, because I talk about the good things and I talk about the bad, I have to try them first. And my skin is not very sensitive, so I can be your guinea pig. Your willing guinea pig. Now this one is amazing. We buy this from our local Korean store. This one is made from black tea and it's youth enhancing because we lose collagen in our 20s. We start losing 1% collagen a year. By the time you're 25, you've lost some collagen, and when you're my age, we just have to preserve whatever collagen we have. And that's why I talked about in one of my videos, eating collagen-rich foods. Not all skincare will help us. What we eat and our lifestyle are very important factors in looking vibrant. As for moisturizers, again, my skin is not very sensitive, so I can try different moisturizers from the drugstore. I use drugstore moisturizer, and I've been using Vichy for a while. But because this was on sale, I tried it. And it's a drugstore brand. It's by L'Oreal, Wrinkle Expert. And it actually worked good. I used this for 6 months. And it worked good to replace my Vichy for a moment. But now I'm out. And guess what? I'm buying Vichy. I'm going to get reunited with my Vichy because it works better. At least for us older women. I hope you're liking this episode so far. I still have a few more products to talk about. But if you like this episode, don't forget to hit the like button and share this with someone you know, with someone who's also aging. Pro-aging is the key. And then that way we can age happily together, right? Of course, very important is your sunblock. This is what I've not been using for all of my life practically until I learned about it because I learned a hard lesson. I had hyperpigmentation develop all over my face. And so sunblock is really, really very important. I used to have Neutrogena and for a while it was good. But I would say after 2 months, 3 months, every time I put my Neutrogena, I would start tearing up and crying. And I felt that my eyes were so strained. I didn't know where it was coming from. I thought it was my makeup. I thought it was my eyeliner. But even without makeup, my eyes were tearing. And I realized that was when I was using Neutrogena sunblock. And after that, since late 2023, 2024, all this time, I've always been loyal to my Elta MD. Elta MD. It's a little bit pricey, like this little guy is $70, but it's worth it. And this is tinted. Tinted is better than the transparent because it adds a little bit more block. But you know what I'm going to try next time? I'm going to try the physical sunblock. My doctor has actually been recommending that I switch to physical sunblock. I still have one more of this one because I would buy 2 or 3 at the same time as long as it doesn't expire. So I have to use it up and then I'm going to go for the physical sunblock. Another one that I want to talk about is my Aquaphor lip balm. See, I did a review of this because there were viral videos where people use this to remove the wrinkles and to hide the wrinkles. It worked for me, but I would say like 5%. And it disappeared right away. So while my video talked about the instant good effect, the thing is it won't last long because I tried it again afterwards. And so this is my conclusion. It's just a one-time thing as a wrinkle cover. Besides, it is not advisable because this is a balm. This is for your lips. So I would suggest this one just stays on your lip. It is a good lip balm. But if you have your normal Vaseline cream in your bathroom cabinet, use Vaseline cream. Now, I talked a lot about castor oil, and I tell you, I love the effect of castor oil. But right now, I'm on a break. I've been on a break from castor oil for, I'd say, 4 months now because I've achieved greater skin from it. And I want to give it a rest because I'm trying other products. And for me to be able to tell you that this product works, I have to make sure that I'm not using any other products on my skin, especially if those other products have been very effective. I want to see if even without castor oil, for example, my products are actually still working. But what I did notice that they are working, but castor oil really gave me that added glow. So enough with the break. School's back. This year, I am resuming my castor oil and jojoba oil combination because I have tested that really this combination gave me that glow. You can tell if you go back to my videos where I was very actively using castor oil, my skin looked more radiant. And the past 2 to 3 months that I went on a break from these two, my skin, I noticed like, why is my skin not so glowy? When I watch my video, I go like, oh, my skin looks dry. So, you know what? This is something that you should have forever and ever. I have a PDF file of the top 20 brands of castor oil that came up in my research. And I also came up with a material that I'm sharing for free. It's also another PDF of the different oils that you can mix with castor oil to give that double beautiful effect. I use jojoba with my castor oil. Just send me an email, wishuponapond@gmail.com if you want any of those free PDFs, and I will send them over to you. Now for the hair, because you know I have gray roots, and if I haven't gone for my normal hair treatment done by my daughter who's a hairstylist, my youngest daughter, then I have to take care of the way my hair looks until my next visit. And there are 2 things that I use for my hair to cover the grays, and they're instant cover-ups. And I actually had a lot of good reviews from that video. I got 2. Wow. And this, I keep forgetting the name, but I'm going to put it right beside. I use this more often because it's in powder form. And it does not make my hair sticky. Like right now, I put this because my next appointment is not until, I don't know, I think middle of January. This is already enough, like, because I work full time. So this one helps me cover my roots in the meantime. We should love our ages though. Pro-aging. Positive. Okay. And if I want to add more, this one is more lasting because it's stick type. But see, it's a little bit sticky. But this is very, very effective. So I have 2. And if you want to use both, you have to use the powder first and then the sticky. This one sort of seals. Wow, look at that. I have links to these products. Some of them are on my Amazon shop. Some are not sold on Amazon.ca, but they might be sold on Amazon.com. So that's for my hair. I just wanted to let you know that I have dry hair because I've never really had healthy hair. The best, and I tell you the best, and I've been using this for 6 years or even more, leave-in conditioner for your hair if it's dry and looking unkempt. Olaplex, number 6. No fail. You put this on your hair while it's damp, like fresh from the shower and from toweling off. And it stays forever. There's still a lot that I want to show you, but for now, those. And you know, this is what I'm going to tell you. It doesn't mean that just because a product costs so much, it is the best. You still have to look at the ingredients. What are the active ingredients? What are the toxic ingredients that are in there? What company manufactured it? Was it tested on animals? So many things that we consider, right? Especially if you're putting it on your skin. You want to really, really read the labels because it matters what is on there. There you go. I hope you learned from this rundown of products, and I will do videos again when I remember the products that I threw away, because I threw them away so I don't remember anymore, because we want to start 2025 on the right note. Don't forget, take care of yourself, love yourself, and don't dwell on the mistakes. Learn from them. Don't dwell on the frustrations that you had. They are part of making you strong. If you have a goal, never give up. Start with baby steps, because that's what I did. And oh my gosh, I will be 64. There's that song, When I'm 64. Wow. Happy New Year, everyone. Thank you so much for the love and for staying with me in this journey. I